Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing a reachable Firebase app. First, enable Firestore or real-time database and confirm minimal read rules for development. Then install the Firebase SDK and initialize it with your API key and project ID. Once initialized, authenticate the user. Even anonymous works, so rules allow reads. Next, obtain a database reference. For Firestore use, get Firestore app, and for real-time use ref, database path. Once you have that reference, you can make your first read call and confirm it returns data. Once you have a reference, choose a fetch pattern that matches your UX. Use get or get docs for single-shot reads, use on snapshot, or on value to subscribe to updates in real time. Apply query constraints like where, order by, limit 10 or start after to narrow results and implement pagination. Make your calls with a sync/await the promise, then transform snapshot results into plain objects. Also, make sure to catch errors and surface clear messages to the UI so you can react to missing permissions or network failures. Finally, map the retrieved data into your app state and render it. Once done, consider caching responses for offline use. If you subscribe to live updates, make sure to detach listeners when components unmount by calling the unsubscribe function or off ref. Also validate security rules and test with the emulator for consistent behavior. If something goes wrong, inspect the Firebase console error, verify authentication and database rules, and reproduce the call in the emulator. That single troubleshooting step often reveals permission or path mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.